So what is Figma? In a nutshell, Figma is a user interface design software, also known as UI design software. In Figma, you can create interactive wireframes, set up advanced user interface designs, and create impressive prototypes. The great thing is that Figma works for both Mac and PC. You can use it in your web browser or via the desktop app. Figma provides you with all the tools you need to design for web or apps, such as working with components, setting up styles and variables, tools for responsive design, as well as automated information for developers. It's really the combination of its incredible features that makes Figma so special and positions it as the industry leader. Figma is cloud-based, making it the ideal choice for collaborating with other designers or sharing your designs with development. You can design with others in real time, allowing you and your team to work on the same project simultaneously to stay perfectly aligned. Figma is incredibly user-friendly and has a gentle learning curve for beginners, but it can also be taken to very advanced levels for alignment with code and creation of complex design systems. Now, a common question I hear is, if I design a website in Figma, how does it become a real website? So does Figma do that? Does Figma do the coding? Well, sorry, but no. Figma provides excellent tools to facilitate collaboration between design and development, such as Dev Mode, where you can see CSS snippets, add code information, inspect components, and much more. But there's no such thing as a publish button. So you do need a skilled developer for that. Alternatively, for straightforward websites, you could use tools like Webflow or Framer, using Figma as your base to plan and set up your design.